Hi there, Claes Norin from etncommerce.com, and in this video I have the privilege and the honor to show you a working Shopify integration with the Instant Payment API. This is created by a community member called Will. Mehmeh is his nickname, and you can follow the work he's been doing in this thread here. And I have the honor to just show you this beta and how it installs and everything. Everything is still in beta. Everything it's still in a development. We cannot release this yet to the public, because we would like, we call the Electroneum team to contact us to just sort out a few things, because this is not exactly the same as a payment plugin for like WooCommerce or Magento or Joomla or OpenCart and those, where you can put up a repository on GitHub and just add the PHP and JavaScript files and create some kind of a installable zip or something. This is because of Shopify's nature. It's a proprietary system, a company based in Canada, and they have their own API, and to be able to create, you can't just create payment methods. You have to build it into their API, and this is what Will has done, and it's really easy to install. It's working really well, but because of this, it's on a server and it collects some data, some of the payment keys. So we would like some help with perhaps the privacy policies and terms and conditions, something like that. I'm sure the Electroneum team can help Will with this, so that there is nothing strange with that. Shouldn't be any problem. But I just want to call out that until we can release this, we would like the Electroneum team to just contact us and sort those things out. All right. So what have I done here? I've created a very simple Shopify shop here. Really simple. Shopify is such an easy platform to work with. Everything, you have a backend like this, and it took me 30 minutes to set this up. So I have a little test product here, and I will now show how to install the Shopify, the Electroneum app into Shopify. So I have this special link to install, it will be, and then you just, this is how Shopify installs things. You just add your URL to your shop and you hit install, and it will open an installation process. It asks for permission to install it. It's unlisted now. This could be probably listed in the future. So then next step is a little wizard to add your vendor details. You find them at my.electroneum.com. You apply for vendor details and you get them. So I fill those out and I go get started. So here's a little step. Here's a few steps. I think it's like 3 steps to get this ready. And we have a little link to open settings. First of all, I go to payment providers. I scroll down to manual payments, and if this was the first time I was doing it, I've tested this before, so I've already done this, which means that I have a disabled. I cannot remove that one, so I will pick this one. But if it's the first time you do this, you create a custom new, and it's really the same thing. You just have to name it Electroneum first, which is said here. You add Electroneum there, but I can jump over that step and just add the additional information. So Here we go. I will add text for that. This is really just text that comes up in the payment process to inform the customers what to do. So there we go. I've created that, and it's in there. Next is, I'll go next here, and it's one last step. So I will go to settings, checkout, scroll down to order processing, and add this code here. All right, so we go back to settings, we go to checkout, order processing, additional scripts. Here we go, this looks like it. I will copy the additional script there and save. So I click next. Here's an optional, if you want to add like a logo instead of just Electroneum, you can add this, follow the guides and add this into the Google Analytics JavaScript place. I will skip this step for now for this video. There we go. I should be all set. And here is the screen that collects all of the different orders that come in. So let's try this out. I will go back to the shop in the front end. I will buy now. And I will add my address there, saved from before. And I can prepare my phone here as well. Yes, everything's correct. So I will, while that opens, there we go. And just need to log in there on my phone. I will go to pay, scan wallet. So I'm scanning. There we go, it took it. Confirm and pay. I add my PIN, and there it completes. And there we go on the screen. Your order has been accepted. And that's finished. So now in the back end, see, here we go. If I reload again, I have now a payment of 162.63 and I'll pay it. So we have a working Shopify solution here, which is quite a nice deal, you know, and it's really polished as it is. You know, we just need to fix some privacy text and all of that. So it's really nice work by Will. So join in on the forum here and give him some applause and some cheering, because he's made all of this. And again, Electroneum team, if you could just get in contact with us here and see if we can just finish the last bits of this and package it so that we can start to offer this for everyone that has a Shopify shop. Hope this was useful, and bye bye.